Hello and welcome to this new method. Today we will talk about user testing sites. All you need to do is register a new account on usertesting.com website, fill in your data and begin to complete the required tasks. You will be notified of all the new transactions. All you need to do is register a video that shows you using a site or a platform inside the site and give a voice note of the problem you encountered or the fault that exists. Within the site, every video, which around 20 minutes long, recorded with your voice will get you a $10 directly to your PayPal account. So shoot a video for 20 minutes that while you are visiting a website or testing a product, upload that video to the user testing website and you will get $10 to your PayPal directly. It will ask you to set up a screen recorder. It's a very straightforward process. After registration and activating of your account, you will download the registration program for the site that will help you to record videos. You can start watching the required task and start video recording and simply profit from your recordings. This is a very simple method. It can get you $10 for everything that you record. You can simply go to the usertesting.com website and sign up or click on get paid to test. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to be a tester or be a user tester page. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, get paid $10. As you can see, you just need to enter your email, click here, then sign me up, and as you can see, they sent me a verification email. I must click on the link in the verification email so that they can move through with the registration process. Okay, let's see. Okay, it seems that the email is in the spam folder. Still, I'm not getting the email. Okay, now I got it. I'm doing this using my mobile phone to okay, let's redirect that email. Forward. Okay, now I'll get the email here. From user testing website. We just need to wait a little bit. Okay, this is the email and this is the link. You need to confirm your email address. After that, we need to download the screen recorder. It will take a minute to download. Okay, let's just wait. Once the download is finished, we will install the screen recorder and move on with the process. I will pause the video, then get back to you once the download is finished. Okay, now as you can see, it needs around 3 seconds to finish the downloading. Open, install. It will install the user testing software. click on finish, then continue. All application must record a quick sample video. It should only take about 5 minutes. So you will continue the process with the website. You will launch the recorder and start recording yourself. That's it for this lesson. Once you record the sample video, it will start giving you tasks for $10 each, and you can start making money to your PayPal account. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team, and happy learning.